Now exercise 1.5. First question. Determine the value of the following. Log 5 to the base 25 is the first one. Log 5 base 25. Logarithm of 5 to the base 25. Logarithm of 5 is the same as is, but 25 can be written as 5 square. 5 5 is a 25. So 5 square. Here it is a power is 1. For this power 1, for this power 2. So now this power by this power we can write 1 by 2 times of 1 by 2 times of logarithm of 5 to the base 5. Since logarithm of a power m to the base b power n, different bases, the powers are there, like this m by n, logarithm of a to the base b can be written. Logarithm of a power m by logarithm of a to the power m to the base b power n. Both numbers are here bases. For this powers m by n we can write m by n of log a to the base b, like that. This power by this power is the remaining 1 by 2, 1 by 2, logarithm of 5 to the base 5. We know that same values are there. The logarithm total value it becomes 1 by 2. This complete value it becomes 1. Since logarithm of a to the base a is 1. Is it? Along with logarithm, not log 1, not log 1. Same logarithm of complete value of this one. Logarithm of a to the base a, complete of this expression, complete this expression value is 1. So 1 by 2 ones are 1 by 2. This is the answer. Now go for the second one in this logarithm of 0.01. Remove that point. 0.001 you will get. By removing the point, after the point, after the point, after the point, 1, 2 decimals are there. After the point, 2 decimals. So, by removing the point, we can take 2 times of tens, means 10 multiples, 2 0. 2 decimals, 2 zeros can be taken in the denominator. To the base 10. Base is not changed. Now, logarithm of 1 by 100 can be written as 1 by 10 square. 100 can be written as 10 square. To the base 10. Now, logarithm of this 10 square comes to the numerator. 10 square is in the denominator. 10 square is in the denominator. If we take it to the numerator, its power becomes a change in sign. 10 minus 2. 10 to the power minus 2. Logarithm of 10 to the power, this 2 comes to the numerator, minus 2 to the base 10. Now power comes front. Power comes front from the formulas. Minus 2 times of logarithm of 10 to the base 10. Since from the formula, since logarithm of x to the power n to the base a, that it gives n into logarithm of x to the base a. Whenever there is a power, that can be written in front of that. Whenever there is a power minus 2, that comes forward, that comes front. Minus 2 comes to the front, log 10 to the base 10. Now, minus 2, see this logarithm of a to the base a. Logarithm of a to the base a. Same values of logarithm, that it gives 1. Since logarithm of a to the base a, that it gives 1. Now, minus 2 ones are minus 2. Like this, we have to solve the problem. Okay? Remaining problems, try to do in this method by applying the formulas.